Dear students, today Telangana State Council of Higher Education released notification for degree admissions 2021. So, who are interested in degree admission, watch this video completely and share this video with your friends. Okay, I am explaining this notification in detail. First thing you have to remember, that is DOST, Degree Online Services Telangana. It is a online website. Through this only we can take admission in degree. Next thing, degree courses like BA, BCom, BSc, BBA, BCA, BBM, BSW. So out of these many courses you can select any one to take admission. Next thing, universities. See, total 6 universities we have in Telangana which are offering degree courses like Usmania University, Kakatiya University, Telangana University, Palamuru University, Mahatma Gandhi University, Shatavahana University. Next, see, total process is online. So, with the help of those only we can take admission in degree, and this complete process is student friendly. To start admission process, you can follow any one of these 3 methods. Okay. Method 1, see, your Aadhaar number is linked with the mobile number, then only you can directly register with the DOST. For that, what you have to do, you have to visit DOST website. Okay, there it is asking your intermediate hall ticket number, you just enter it. After that, it is asking for your Aadhaar number. Okay, you type that one. Then finally it is asking your linked mobile number. So you type that one and finally submit. Okay, once you submit, okay, the DOST website will generate one ID for you, that is DOST ID, and that ID will be sent on the mobile number. So this is the method 1. Method 2, for those students who are not linked their mobile number with the Aadhaar. So these students simply visit any Me Seva center and give their biometric, okay, for registration. Once the process is completed, okay, DOST will generate ID for you, and that ID will be sent to your mobile number. Method 3, by using T app, Philo mobile app, you can register yourself with the DOST. For that, you have to install this app in your mobile. Okay, and it is asking some data like hall ticket number, date of birth, Aadhaar number and mobile number. Okay, after verification, it is generate your DOST ID, and that DOST ID will be sent on your mobile number. So by using any one of these 3 methods, you can register yourself. Okay, once you register, DOST ID will be generated. Next step is registration fee. You have to pay a registration fee, that is 200 rupees. After paying this 200 rupees, DOST will send you a PIN. So this PIN is important for login. So keep confidentially these 2 things, that is DOST ID and PIN. After receiving DOST ID and PIN, visit DOST website, okay, and click on registration option. So one form will be opened there. You just fill that form and click on submit button. So this thing you have to do in between 1st July 2021 to 15th July 2021. After submitting online registration form, DOST will send you a message on your mobile. Next thing, web options, means selecting courses and colleges and university, in which university you want to take admission. So for that also in notification the dates are given 3rd July 2021 to 16th July 2021. In between you can select courses or colleges. Okay. After web options, means after selecting the courses and colleges, DOST will send you a message on your mobile Next step is verification. Special category students has to verify their certificates at helpline centers. Those selected some degree colleges as a helpline centers. So special category students carry your certificates and go to that particular colleges for verifications, okay, in given dates. After completing process of admission from your side, on 22nd July 2021, seat allotment will be announced by Dost, and you will get a SMS related to it. So it means that your seat confirmation is done from Dost. Next step, you have to go online self confirmation. It means from your side also you have to confirm the seat. So then only the complete process will be done of admission. Okay. Next, phase 2. See, if someone applied in phase 1 but did not get any seat in any college, so he can apply in phase 2 for next time. So this time no need of registration, only web options you have to do. Okay, like that. If same procedure for phase 3 also.